Today's video is showing us how to get ultimate money in NFS Carbon. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link. Just scroll down and select the download option, and you just need to wait for this time. Once it load, select this download now option, and after the download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, open the extracted folder. Right click on the NFS save editor and select run as administrator and select yes option and select the save game that you want to increase the money and select edit option. Money, you just need to type how much money you want. I'm gonna type it 11111 and then select save file, select quit and quit and launch the game. Once you are in game, in allies select the game file we edited and load complete, select continue, and now go to career and resume career. And as you can see how much money we have, that's a lots of money. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.